right, everything's been cleared out here. It's nice and clean. She left you a bunch of cleaning products, so that was kind of nice. And this little extra table right there. And then I happen to notice there's some paint up here. So these will be all the paint colors that were used in the house. And I see an exterior paint too for touch-up. Into the garage, all cleaned out. You have your recycling bin over there. There's your hurricane shutters. Over to the den. Looks so much bigger now that it's been cleared out. And there's your bar stools. And it looks like left you some documents here from when they closed. I've got your keys and such that I'll mail to you, but I'll leave these documents here on the counter. And the guest bedroom. And guest bath. The walls look really good too. It looks like they may have touched up with a little bit of paint in a couple of spots. So that's good. I don't see any big nicks or things. And master bedroom. And she actually did clean it very well, actually. This is very nice and clean. And master bath. And in the closet. And Marble and I all cleaned up. I'm gonna show you your main water shut off in this video. Because you're not coming down, I'm gonna shut the main valve off, just so we don't worry about any kind of issues. It's always a good thing to do if you're not here. And I have the AC set at 76. Walk you out here. This right here is going to be your main shutoff valve. So I'm going to turn that so it does not allow water to go into the, if we had any issues with you not being there. I don't foresee some, but being that you're not going to be down for a while. And this is your new home. Look forward to you guys coming down and getting inside of it.